Dawn Adventures, and you see this remote? I'm gonna go pause. My mom or my sister? Where's my sister? On my hoverboard. I'm on her hoverboard. Pause. Now I know what I should do. I'm going to get this sausage ball and put it on your head. Now she ate the sausage ball. Now, what do you think we should do with the pause? Oh wait, where's the remote? Mama, where's the remote? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna press this button right here that says Netflix. Netflix. I did Netflix. Netflix does nothing. Ah! Mama. Mama. I'm gonna prank her where she is. I'm gonna give her the remote, but I'm actually not gonna give her the remote. Mama, here's the remote. Here's the remote, Mama. Mama, do you want the remote? Mama, do you want the remote? Yeah. Oh no, she's getting the remote. She got the remote. She got the remote. I better run. I gotta get away from her. She's got the remote. You can't pause me if you can't catch me. I ducked. I didn't get hit by the pause. Oh no, it's the pause. Move, doggy. Duck. I dodged the pause. Dodged the pause. Ah! Pause! Pause. You unpause me. Ah! I'm on my hoverboard. There's your pause. Pause, 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 pause. I paused it. Now I'm gonna go pause my ball. Hey, Mommy. Hi. Pause. I'm going to get this thingy. Where's the remote? Oh, I just put it over here. No, I didn't. Where's the remote? What do you have? Oh, here it is. On the bed. Netflix. Unpause. Ah, she's got the blaster. Go. Now what should we do? Let's press the number 1 button. Number 1. Number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put this remote control car button. Remote control car. Remote control car. It's time for the dog to get paused. Pause. I'm not paused. No, you ran away. Okay, guys. I'm going to say bye. So bye.